The SX38 in particular takes us to a diameter and a flexibility in the work that we can do that we didn't have before the investment. Star continue to support us in what we need and continue to bring out new models which will see us through into the future. We basically have 20 Star sliding head machines. We're making between 400 and 600,000 parts per month, and they range from micro parts, which are obviously very small, through to parts that are up to 2-inch diameter.
So there's two, from what I can see, major demands on your shop floor. It's the high volumes you need to put out every month and the precision you need to achieve for those parts. What do you need from a machine tool that can offer that kind of stability?
We basically use Star because they're dependable. We don't have many issues with them at all when we are running them. If we do have an issue, Star are very supportive, and we get back up on site within a day to 2 days. And generally they're a good quality machine. They give us good quality parts, and we're standing just next to a machine which is 20 years old, so they have that longevity as well.
Yeah, and it's still pumping out. Sorry, it's right. It's still pumping out really good parts.
It is. The parts are accurate. It's a little bit limited now in what we can actually use it for, but generally it is making good parts and accurate parts. Not as accurate as the new machines, but still making good, accurate parts.
Which is absolutely mind-blowing for a machine that's been going for 20 years, pumping out a good number of parts every month.
Yes, and working basically not 24/7, but 24/6. So it's done a lot of parts in its lifetime.
Brilliant. So there's a lot of benefits to, once you start going down the road with Star, to continuing from the fact the operators can use the machines, they already know them, they're well versed in them.
Yes.
But it's not just the fact that you started with Stars, so you continued with Stars. They're also developing their technology. Can you explain what they do differently that you like?
Yes. I mean, basically, if I look at Star, the range of machines Star have, they have a large range of machines suitable for different parts. You might use an SW for doing a part that an SR isn't as good at. Right now we're looking at SL machines, which are another step along another step in the development of that machine from the SR to the SL, which will then keep us competitive and reduce our cycle times. As we move up through on the SR20 that we've put in right now, because of the new technology and the different tool layout, it's actually quicker than our existing machines. And then on to the 38, which is again another step. It has a turret there as well as the platen. Gives us a lot more flexibility in what we're actually putting through the machine. And cycle time wise, we've then got 3 controllable axes instead of 2. So we can be doing a lot more work simultaneously.
And you've just made 3 new investments in Star machines. Can you explain what the rationale behind that was?
Yeah, basically the new investments were customer driven. We had new orders coming through, and we didn't have the capacity to meet the level that we needed for the new orders. We put a new SR10 in, which is additional capacity to what we already have. The machine is slightly quicker than our existing SR10s, but not much in it. The SR20 we put in on some components is 20-25% quicker, so we're getting a benefit of having that actual machine here. And then the 38, the rationale behind the 38 is to start to move into the production of back shells, that type of things, and shell production, which will add to what we already do in the interconnect market.
Obviously you've still got a big order book for the smaller connector components, but moving into those back shells, why do you want to move into a different sector?
The the opportunity is there. It's a good fit for what we do with our existing customers. We supply the pins and the connectors. So to actually move on and supply the back shells, it's a natural progression for us.